Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's watch my new video. In my previous video, I have explained what the random variable is. In this video, I am going to explain you what the probability distributions are. Okay, earlier I have considered an example. The Nick takes 3 shots at goal. G denotes a goal, G dash denotes a miss. Lists the sample space. I had drawn the tree diagrams, goal or not goal. Then the sample space, related sample space was goal, 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 not goal. Finally, not goal, not goal, not goal. Then let x be the number of goals scored. Then x is a random variable because it takes each element of the sample space and assign numerical values. The values of x are 0, 1, 2 or 3. Associated probabilities, when x is equal to 0, it is 1 over 8. X is equal to 1, it is 3 over 8. X is equal to 2, it is 3 over 8. And x is equal to 3, it is 1 over 8. Okay. Now we will consider what the discrete probability distributions are. The discrete probability distributions. The probability distribution for a random variable consists of all values the variable can take along with the associated probabilities. If we consider the earlier example, what are the x values we can assign for x? 0, 1, 2 or 3. What are the corresponding probabilities? When x is equal to 0, it is 1 over 8. X is equal to 1, it is 3 over 8. 3 over 8 and 1 over 8. Actually, this is a probability distribution because if we get the summation of all the probabilities, if we add these things, 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8 is equal to 1. Okay, here a discrete probability function, also called the probability mass function, describes the distribution of discrete probability. Here this is the probability mass function. If it is a probability mass function, the total probability is equal to 1. Okay. For any discrete probability, the probability is in between 0 to 1. The total probability is equal to 1. Also, then if you want to find the probability in between the particular values, it is you have to add them. Okay. If Nick is equally likely to score a goal as to miss, find probability x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this one plus this one plus this one. What is it? It is 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. It is 7 over 8. Less than 2 means 0 and 1. 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8. It is 4 over 8 to half. Greater than or equal to 2. That means 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Again, it is 4 over 8 or half. Okay. Now we will consider the expected value of the probability distribution. Expected value or the mean of the probability distribution. The expected value, also called the mean of a discrete random variable x, is the sum of the product of each of x and the associated probability. That is, Ex, normally we denoted it by Ex, or mu is equal to the summation of x times the probability capital X is equal to simple x. We will consider the earlier example. It was, we know that 0, 1, 2 or 3. The associated probabilities are 1 over 8, 3 over 8, 3 over 8 and 1 over 8. What is E of x of this probability? E of x is 0 times 1 over 8 plus 1 times 1, 3 over 8 plus 2 times 3 over 8, we have to multiply, plus 3 times 1 over 8. It is 3 over 8 plus 6 over 8 plus 3 over 8. It is 12 over 8. This is the expected value, or the mean of the distribution is 12 over 8 or 3 over 2. Now, use the discrete probability distribution above to find E of x square. Actually, E of x square is the sum of x square times the probability x is equal to simple x. X square, what is the first value? X is 1. 1 means 1 square times, what is the first value? It is 0. 0 square times 1 over 8. 1 square times 3 over 8. 2 square times 3 over 8 plus 3 square times 1 over 8. What is it? This is 0. 3 over 8 plus 4 times 3 over 8 plus 9 times 1 over 8. 3 over 8 plus 12 over 8 plus 9 over 8. It is 24 over 8. Now the second one, we asked to find Ex square. Ex square means we know that it is 3 over 2 whole square. Now we can say E of x square is not equal to E of x whole square. We have to know it. Okay. Now we will do we asked to find V of 3x plus 2. That means 3 times 0 plus 2 times 1 over 8. 3 times 1 plus 2, 3 over 8. Then 3 times 2 plus 2 times 3 over 8 plus 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1 over 8. If we simplify this one, what is it? 2 over 8, 3, 5, 15 over 8, 24 over 8 plus 11 over 8, 17 over 8 plus 35 over 8, 52 over 8. Next one, we are asked to find 3 of Ex plus 2. We will consider 3 times what is Ex. Ex we got earlier, it was 12 over 8 plus 2. It is 36 over 8 plus 2. 36 plus 16 over 8. It is again 52 over 8. That means we can say E of 3x plus 2 is equal to 3 times Ex plus 2. Now we can summarize what we had done earlier. Here it can be seen from the example above, Ex square is not equal to E of x whole square. In generally, E of fx is a density function, is not f of ex. However, if linear function E of ax plus b can be written as a times ex plus b. That means E of ax plus b, it can be written as a times ex plus b. Similarly, another useful property of the E of x plus E of y can be written as E of x plus y. Let's discuss some examples. The first one, table below shows the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x. the probability x is equal to 0, 0.2, A, B, this one. Given that Ex is equal to 1.55, find the value of A and B. How do we do that? We know that since it is a discrete probability distribution, we know that the total probability, that means 0.2 plus A plus B plus 0.25 is equal to 1. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.25, 1 minus 0.45, A plus B. Now, A plus B is equal to 0.55. This is the first equation. We should have another equation with A and B. How do we do that? It is given that Ex, the expected value of the distribution, is 1.55. We know that Ex is 0 times 0.2 plus 1 times A plus 2 times B plus 3 times 0.25 is equal to 1.55. This is 0, A plus 2B plus 0.75 is equal to 1.55. Now, A plus 2B is equal to 1.55 minus 0.75. A plus 2B is equal to 0.8. The second equation, now we can calculate A and B. They are two simultaneous equations. The first equation is A plus B is equal to 0.55. The first equation. If we subtract the first equation by the second one, 2b minus b is b. B is equal to 0.25. Then, therefore, A is equal to A plus 0.25 is 0.55. A is equal to 0.3. We have calculated what the A and B are. The second example, the following table shows the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x. However, the x values from -1, 0, 2 and 3, 0.2, 10k square, 0.43k. However, find the value of k. We know that since it is a probability distribution, then total probability 0.2 plus 10k square plus 0.4 plus 3k is equal to 1. 10k square plus 3k plus 0.6 is equal to 1. 10k square plus 3k minus 0.4 is equal to 0. Now if I multiply this by 10, 100k square plus 30k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this one. How do we factorize this? 100 times -4. -400, we have to find the factors of -400 to make 30. Here, what is it? 40 times -10. It can be written as 100k square plus 40k minus 10k minus 4 is equal to 0. If we take 20k as the common factor, 5k plus 2, again 2, 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 20k minus 2 times 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k k is equal to 2 over 20 or k is equal to negative 2 over 5. We know that we can't accept the negative values. K is equal to 1 over 10. Now the second part is find the expected value of the x. How do we find the expected value? We know the distribution is, next one is we are asked to find the expected value of the x. Therefore, the probabilities are 0.2, 10, 1 over 100, 0.4, 3 over 10. It is probabilities. Corresponding probabilities are 0.2, 0.1, 0.4, 0.3. The expected value is negative 1 times 0.2. X is equal to plus 0 times 0.1 plus 2 times 0.4, 3 times 0.3. This is negative 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 0.9, negative 0.2 plus 1.7. Actually 1.5 is the expected value. In this video, I have discussed discrete probability distributions and expected value of the discrete probability distribution. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to watch my other videos. Thank you very much.